So today my little cousin requested a Haitian Christmas dinner, so obviously I had to get in uniform because I am responsible for making the Haitian macaroni. So come on. Vini.